Crypto mining has changed a lot. First, we used GPU rigs. We had to buy all sorts of hardware and put them together into our own mining rigs. Then, even the at-home miners switched to ASICs, which were built specifically for mining certain cryptocurrencies. And then there was cloud mining. But let's be honest, cloud mining was mostly scams. But right now there is something new. A fresh way to start mining crypto. And you can get started completely for free. No hardware, no contracts, and no risk. In this video I'll tell you all about NFT mining. I'll go over the pros, the cons, and I'll tell you exactly how you can get started. Let's get right into it. Now, before we get started, I quickly want to mention the giveaways we're currently hosting over on Twitter and our Discord community. If you want to make the most out of your crypto mining journey, I can definitely recommend joining the Discord community and following me over on Twitter, and you might just win one of the cloud mining machines we're giving away right now. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so what is this crypto mining method I'm talking about? It is called NFT-backed mining, and currently there's only one company providing it. But first, what exactly is NFT-backed mining? NFT-backed mining means that you buy an NFT. This NFT is connected to a certain amount of hashing power in a real data center. The mining rig does the work and you get the rewards. It's just like owning a piece of the mining farm, but fully digital. You don't have to build, run, or maintain any machines. Just hold the NFT and let it mine for you. It is simple, it is clean, and it is way more beginner friendly. That sounds pretty cool, right? Let's take a look at how we can get started NFT-backed mining. We start over on GoMining. Now, you might have heard of this platform before. But don't worry, I'll make sure to go into the ins and outs today so that everyone can get something out of this video. But first, let's go over the very basics. You can sign up to the GoMining platform completely for free by using the first link in the description. Doing this already gets you a 16 TH/s free bonus miner. Now, this miner is temporary, but that doesn't mean that you can't earn a lot of money from this. We can win up to $1,500 for a single block, but we'll have to set up some things first. To start, we click on the link in the description, we sign up and we select our country. Now, we agree to the privacy policy and the terms and conditions, which we will cover later in this video. Right here we can see our free bonus miner. Hit unlock tasks to see how we can keep this miner running. We can get 1 day of usage by just clicking the claim button. But there are a lot of ways to extend this running time. A task that instantly gets us another 5 days of running is creating our own miner. Now, this isn't free, but it's not that expensive either. Just keep in mind that this will also massively increase your chances of winning that $1,500 block. Let's quickly check out how much the cheapest miner would set us back. If we keep all of the settings on default, we can see that this miner would cost us $26 at a 40% ROI. And we can even get an additional 5% discount by using the code PD04S right here. Alright, let's get back and see how we can win this money. To set this up, we're going to need to click on the Miner Wars game right here. We click on Start Game and we agree to the terms and conditions. Head over to the June League here and search for the Apex clan. Hit join and then confirm. And that's it, you're basically set now. To increase your chances of winning, you can click the service button every single day, or you could deposit some tokens to buy boosts. But how exactly could this earn you the $1,500? Well, that's because of the multiplier rounds. In Miner Wars, an X1 round earns you around 120 GMT tokens, which is the native token of the platform. However, there are also 2x rounds, 4x rounds, all the way up to a 32 times multiplier. This means that you would get around 3,840 tokens. At a token price of 42 cents per GMT, this would equal roughly $1,600. Not bad, right? Of course, the chances of you winning this round with just your bonus miner is relatively small, but it's worth giving a shot. Even if you don't win an X32 round, there's plenty of other rounds you can win. And you don't have to do anything in return. Just make sure your bonus miner is up and running and that's it. Now that you're all familiar with the basics of the GoMining platform, let's dive into some specifics. The Miner Wars game mode is not a guaranteed payout, but if you do get lucky, you might hit the jackpot. GoMining, however, also offers a safer NFT-backed mining strategy. Solo mining. When you buy an NFT, there's a few things to consider. If we head over to the page where we can create our miner once more, we can see a couple of things. First, we can choose the mining power. Now, don't worry about this too much, because you can just upgrade it whenever you want. Buying more terahashes does lead to a slightly higher ROI, but it's nothing groundbreaking. Just stick to your personal budget. The energy efficiency is something else to take note of. You can choose between 20 watts per terahash and 15 watts per terahash. Currently, the 20 watts per terahash option is more profitable, but this might change in the future if Bitcoin rewards fall and electricity prices rise. This is all part of GoMining's terms and conditions, which we will take a look at soon. For now, there is one last option we can choose to maximize our profits, and that is to pay our maintenance fees in GoMining tokens. This makes a massive difference, and I can recommend everyone to keep this on pay in GMT. So your NFT gets you mining power. You get rewards for this, but you also have to pay for maintenance and electricity fees. All of this is done automatically by the platform, so don't worry too much about this. And that's the basics of NFT-backed mining on GoMining. Now let's dive a bit deeper. What I always like to do when researching a new platform is read their terms and conditions, which most people agree to without ever reading. As we already covered, buying an NFT gets you mining power. But unlike with cloud mining contracts, this power never expires. This means that your NFT gets you mining power as long as you hold it. That sounds a bit sketchy, right? Well, of course, it is a highly simplified version of what's actually happening. As long as the Bitcoin rewards stay up, everything will be profitable for most users. This might change if the Bitcoin price starts dropping, for example. What could also happen is that the Bitcoin price stays the same, but that the rewards drop. This could be caused by an increased mining difficulty or by a block halving, for example. All of these are, however, risks outside of GoMining's control. And they're actually the same risks you'd have if you were to buy a miner yourself. Additional things that could change are the maintenance and electricity fees. Based on their terms and conditions, GoMining is allowed to make changes on these fees. On the one hand, this is a bit of a risk, since higher fees would mean lower profits. However, what's most important to look at is the intention of the company. Based on my personal experience, GoMining is trying to build a digital mining ecosystem that benefits all users. Right now, they're doing a great job, and I do think they'll continue this trend in the future. The Bitcoin halving doesn't even have to be a big problem as long as the Bitcoin price keeps rising. And other factors like the GMT token increasing in price could definitely benefit your mining profits. All in all, it is quite a risky venture, but the NFT-backed mining profits are unseen in any other sector. For now, this new crypto mining method is definitely worth checking out. Recently, I made a video on how much I earned in a single week on the GoMining platform, which you can check out here. Or if you're interested in some more miner wars, I can recommend checking out this video. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.